Ooh. Well. Once again, we meet at the magical creek. This creek runs about 5 minutes away from the Motorcycle Camping Club headquarters, and it's a treasure. Some people don't like it as much. Some people don't like coming here. Look at this river. Look at this creek. Imagine being like, no, I don't want to come here. No, it's too far. I can't imagine that. But I guess I could when it's late. So it's gonna be interesting because it's gonna be like 47 degrees tonight. Might be a little chilly. The water is nice and cold. And this tree actually fell. What? The water is low enough to possibly get over there easy. There's a crossing over there, but it's kind of far down. But yeah, but this tree cracked like 3-4 years ago. I feel like it's easier to cross over there, no? Or is it mossy? But see those rocks over there? We can actually take this rock right here, and like these rocks, and create like a crossing. Let's try it. Oh. That's actually not a bad placement. Getting back might be hard. Oops. Here we go. Damn. The first rock was a total success, and the other two, because I was just trying to create the next step over there. They're not landing right. Need one more. It's still sketchy as all hell, and probably not worth crossing. I mean, look, we got this rock right here. Jay.
Yeah.
Let's pick it up and toss it together. 1, 2, 3 kind of thing. Can we do it? Use your knees. We're not gonna be able to do it, are we? Watch out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good job.
That's more wobbly it looks.
No, it's not. That's better.
Alright, test it out. Guinea pig it. Guinea pig it.
I'm just seeing myself falling to this side.
Oh, you got it on time lapse.
Oh. Coming back is gonna be the bitch. Yeah, I'm worried about coming back because the angle is like all mossy here, you know? I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead.
While you're still dry.
Yeah. I'm just worried about, like, I'd rather camp and cut up some firewood and cook sausage.
Oh, it's all mossy, slippery.
Right,
mossy.
exactly. Getting over there is gonna be, there's probably snakes over there. We know for a fact there's snakes everywhere in this fucking place. We're gonna have to just abandon this. All right, kids. I just wanted to show you the Magic Creek, and why we come here. Probably next time we talk. Next time we talk, we're probably gonna be firing up the grill or whatever, or maybe chainsawing. Who knows? Bye. Is it wobbly?
I'm worried about slipping on that one.
Yep. Look at this little guy we found. Unfortunately, I think it's a little blue jay. Ooh. Don't know what to do. Can't really like feed it or anything. It can't even walk. Its legs are all sprawled out. Oh snap. It's time. We cooked some sausage, started a fire obviously, drinking a couple of beers. I got the fancy tomato ketchup. And it's time to grab my sausage. I think this baby is ready. What do you think?
You find out first.
I mean, the baby's sizzling. Look at that. This is gonna be really good. Let's try it. Wait, you probably want to see me put ketchup. Tell me how you feel about ketchup on sausage. Because Jay seems to be against it. I'll let you know how it is. Hello, GoPro world. The vloggy vlog world. You can't see any of this, but we basically just put up a tarp. We realized that it's probably going to be really misty in the morning and we're going to be wet. So this is our situation. 2 hammocks.
2 hammocks, 1 tarp.
It's like a little triangle with a 10 by 10 tarp over it. It's kind of adorable. It's going to be all right. Yeah. We're good. And now I'll take you back to the fire. Well, actually, I gotta take my bags under the tarp. But yeah, that's our fire. Can't really see. As soon as I turn off the lights, see how pitch black it is? It's kind of wild. Anywho, we just had some sausages, and now we're gonna watch a movie of my choice, because NYC Scrambler didn't bring any of his own movies. Did you? I told you to bring at least 5 movies.